Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. Despedida day 1 eh guys. Nag-chillax me guys. Chillax me guys with my siblings. Kay my sister, my two sister. Larga na sila guys. So, mag-chillax ko nung may diri guys. Mamiss na po na ako mga manghod guys. Kaya manglarga na sila guys. So si Papa Ray wala diri guys. So sad. Sad to say. We will miss you Papa. Love you.
Dito daw, dito. Bantay ha, hapla.